Welcome to Narisaki, and today let's make tea which is good for your digestion if you have a gas, bloating problem, fennel mint tea. So you need 2 cups of water. We are going to boil this water, and when it comes to a point to boil, add fennel seeds. I'm adding here 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds. Add fresh mint leaves if you have, or you can have a dry mint leaf or mint leaf powder, anything works. So you can chop them. I try to just break it with my hands to release all the flavor in that tea and let it boil. Now if you're having fennel tea for the first time, then try to add a little bit less fennel seeds and boil it just for 1 minute. So have a lighter version so you get used to the flavor and your body gets used to it. And then as you go, you can boil it more, add like 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, have a stronger version. Like I'm used to it, so I'm going to make my tea the stronger version. Now it has been boiling for 2 minutes. Let it sit for some time. I'm putting up the gas, cover and keep it for 2 minutes. And it's ready to serve. And you can serve it by straining the mint leaves and the fennel seeds. I like to bite on them. So that's for my husband by straining, and this is with all the mint leaves and all. Enjoy your fennel and mint tea, and let me know if you have any questions or comments, and thank you for subscribing Narisaki.